Okay, so this is UK Girl in SF with another video of the removing of equipment from the condo site at Pine and Franklin. It's May the 22nd and the traffic's flowing in one direction. Well, Pine Street is one direction only from downtown up to here, but it's only one lane of traffic at the moment because of this huge project which has been going on all weekend, and they're just about to remove the second crane tower. It's a huge job, but it's a fascinating job. And I just thought I'd make a video of it. I've done several videos, about 5 or 6 actually, on this project, so I hope you'll check them out on YouTube later on, and also check out my other videos on YouTube. I find this whole thing fascinating. Of course, it's caused a major traffic jam today in the city because Pine Street is a main artery, but it can't be helped. This is the best time to do it. And the crane has been up now for, oh, I can't even remember how long this work has been going on for, but I think the crane has to be removed today as well, and they've got till 6 PM tonight to clear everything. So again, check out my other videos on this project, and I'm just going to let it run a few more minutes now in silence, or at least you won't hear my voice. But anyway, this is UK Girl in SF sounding out, and I'll be signing off in a moment.
No, y todo lo de aquí hasta la práctica, hasta